Hey, it's me here from the Digital Empire, where we teach you how to become a world-class digital entrepreneur. Today, we are going to be giving you one of the best tips from the #1 best-selling book Dotcom Secrets by Russell Brunson. It is absolutely free, plus shipping and handling. And in this video, we're going to be diving into Chapter 6, the funnel. Now, before we dive into that, let's quickly go over what a funnel is, because most people don't really understand what a funnel actually is. A funnel is simply a way of taking people from one place to another, guiding them from one place to another. For example, if I wanted to go to the store, I can give you directions. Hey, just go down this road and then turn right, and then you'll see it on the left-hand side. That little path that I just gave you, that little direction set is a simple funnel. It took you from where you are now to where you want to go. That's what a sales funnel does. A sales funnel takes someone who doesn't know anything about you, doesn't even know they need whatever product you're selling, and guides them to a place where they buy your product, and then ultimately become a raving fan that tells all of their friends. So Russell Brunson in Dotcom Secrets goes through different ways that you can do that. He gives you different examples of funnels that you can use depending on what type of business you're running. But he says every business needs a funnel. You have to remember something. If you are trying to sell something, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, a service, something that you're good at, there's already a big giant funnel that exists for that thing. For example, if I want to sell coffee, I know that there's already a big giant funnel for coffee. I can tap into that funnel and I can start serving my coffee through that funnel, or I can build my own funnel. One way of building your own funnel is through email marketing. Another way of building your own funnel is through social media advertising. There's many different ways that you can do it, but the key is to remember that you need to be creating a funnel so that you can be taking people and turning them into buyers. And so Russell Brunson shares in Dotcom Secrets that every story has 3 parts. You have the beginning part, the middle part, and the end part. And each part of your story should live on a different page. For example, if I was selling a digital product and I was sending traffic to this digital product, maybe the first page they come to is a YouTube video that introduces them to the idea. Then they click on that YouTube video and it takes them to a second page, which is an Instagram post. That Instagram post goes more in depth about the product, about the topic, and then the third page would be a sales page that actually sells them on buying the thing. So what Russell Brunson suggests doing is taking your stories, breaking it up into 3 different parts, and then putting each part of the story on a different page. So when someone clicks on a story, it takes them to the next page, and then the next page, and then they eventually buy from you. There's so much more to sales funnels, and if you want to learn more, again, pick up a free copy of Dotcom Secrets. It is absolutely incredible and will take you from where you are now to where you want to be. Once you have that copy, make sure to read Chapter 6. Make sure you understand funnels, how to create your own funnel, and then share this video with other people. If this video helped you, if this video made sense, if this video gave you value, share this video with other people, and I'll see you in the next video.